High School. Please open. Continued lesson going on. Video 2, Unit 3, Gentlemen of Rio and Medio, Joint A, Sedilo, 4th November. This is our continued video. So, about this lesson. So, please get ready with your textbook and a pencil in your hand and try to understand the whole story when I am going to explain. And read the story like me, so that your all problems will be over. Correct English, pronunciation, correct writing English, all things are important and very, very important. Page 46, get ready 10th group, textbook, page 46. Here some glossaries given below. Prince Albert means long double-breasted coat. Gazelle means type of small deer which has large beautiful eyes. The ladies in India, those who have very beautiful eyes, black, like the gazelle, that is called the gazelle eyes. That is very good in a Kannada word also. You can find out. Excellent one Kannada word is there. So this is a gazelle, means a deer completely covered with the black eyes and all. So beautiful ladies with the good black eyes, attractive. So that one called gazelle eyes. Gazelle means actually type of small deer which has large beautiful eyes. Chaplin, Charlie Chaplin, silent film comedian. Janitor means someone whose job is to look after a school or a large building. Senator Catron, Thomas Benton Catron, a senator from New Mexico, 1912 to 1917. Senator Catron. So these are all the Spanish words you will get in this lesson, because Rio and Medio already you know. This one I told you, page 45. See the glossary. Rio and Medio, a place in Santa Fe County, New Mexico, United States. So to make you understand the storyteller, the narrator of the story, Gentlemen of Rio and Medio, continuously the narrator, the storyteller, will use a few Spanish words to make the old man understand. And the old man will also use few Spanish words with the Americans. So naturally, here we will see, that's why these all things, the viewpoints you see, I have already drafted in the board. Please check with me. See, I have written what means amazing words, surprising words. In this lesson, we will learn vocabulary. That one obviously, we are proud enough that SSLC board drafted this design syllabi, where after reading this story, few Spanish words, interesting Spanish words, we all will learn, though we are Indian. So naturally, as much languages, not only English, Hindi, Sanskrit or any mother tongue of our country, along with that abroad languages also, if you get chance, please learn it. That's important in education life. So dear students, 10th, what happened? After that you see para 2, page 46. The day of the sale, when the dealing over, now selling property, particular date announced, the day of the sale, he came. Storyteller is narrating the whole story to the viewers, to the readers. The day of the sale, he means the old man, he came into the office. His coat was old. He never liked to show any business. You will see the farmers around the world, even in India, all the state, you will see they are hard worker, they are very honest, they are good. They never tolerate different thinking skill of their children, because they are very simple. It is their personality. They everywhere they highlight it. They are not fashionable with dress, these, that. So his coat was old, green and faded, but personality, high personality. That's important. I thought of Senator Catron. Who has Senator Catron? Already meaning given here, Thomas Benton Catron, a senator from New Mexico. So I means the narrator, the storyteller. I thought of Senator Catron. Who has has been such a power with these people up there in the mountains? Perhaps it was one of his old Prince Albert. Down you see the meaning. Long double-breasted coat. Prince Albert. That type of coat that old gentleman used. He wore gloves in both the hands. They were old and torn. Doesn't matter to him. I wear, that's all. Maybe it is old, torn few places. And his fingertips showed through them. Maybe this side torn, this one torn, maybe this one, anywhere, two hands. So what happened? Torn, fingers are coming out. So what? Personality, simplicity, honesty. These are the main things. Okay? No need to show dress, this, that, all this show business. Main thing is personality and dignity. That's important in life to build a good character. Mind it. Point to be noted down. 10th group. Let's start now. They were old and torn and his fingertips showed through them. He carried a cane. You know that like the earlier teachers. Okay. So he carried a cane. But it was only the skeleton of a worn out umbrella. Umbrella tall, that stick he is carrying, and that is the cane. C-A-N-E. Then what happened? You see. But it was only the skeleton of a worn out umbrella. Behind him, back to him, walked one of his innumerable kin, K-I-N. Kith and kin. This is one area, because I will give you, you wait, few idioms, few proverbs, I will give you chart so that you can able to understand and your vocabulary will enrich. So I will help you time to time regarding vocabulary and grammar. Just give me some time, very shortly I will be coming back to all these things. So here what happened, innumerable kin, a dark young man with eyes like a gazelle. Now para 3, the old man bowed to all of us in the room, showing dignity, respect to everyone, bowed his head to all of us in the room. Then he removed his hat and gloves slowly and carefully. Chaplain Vance did that in a picture. Sometimes Chaplain silently showing action. So that's why Chaplin's name drafted here. In a band, he was the janitor. Then he handed his things to the boy, the black boy, young boy, who stood obediently behind the old man's chair. Now check your comprehension, check your understanding. Till this much you have read today. So your understanding is very important. That one I am checking, and you will also follow my instruction. Check your understanding, share your responses. Get ready, 10th group, page 46 and 47. The old man was understanding, quick, no, slow and careful, unhurried, not like that. Witty, no. So the correct answer, understanding. He can understand everything. Gradually when I will read more and more the story, you will feel it. Number 2, do you think the ancestors of the old man lived in Rio and Medio? Yes. In the very beginning, it has given the portrait 100 of years. It means ancestors. More than 14 generations, they are staying in Rio and Medio. Number 3, a word in line 4 of paragraph, I suggest that the old man was a farmer. Pick that word. How? I have already pointed out till the word. It means background, farming, agriculture background. T-I-L-L-E-D. Tilt. When last D, pronunciation will be tight pronunciation. T. Pronunciation like T. Tilt. So it is look like phonetically T is coming. Tilt. But it is not dot, not like that. The spelling is T-I-L-L-E-D. Pronunciation tilt. So orchard. So you can study this picture in your notebook. You can draw this picture and write a few things about the old man, about Rio and Medio, about your thinking skill, everything most welcome. Next, page 47. In paragraph 2, the words who and these refer to who, Thomas, Benton, Catron, and respectively the simple people refer to these things, who and these. Now look at the picture and draw your inference about the old man's appearance and his social living condition. That's all today. This much. Again we will start tomorrow. So today 4/11/2020, mark with a pencil this much. Then again from the check your comprehension we will start in the next video. So well student, this much. So social and living condition means you can understand very high thinking skill personality, good personality, very dignified person, very honest, hard worker and promising. You will, when I will read the story afterwards, you will feel free to understand the character. Marvelous. Being a farmer, whatever he promised, he has taken that much only. He is not greedy. He is a very good personality. Very dignified old man. So according to this question, number 6, page 47, you can draft in your mind so many things about the old man, his social life, his living condition and so on. So please read this much honestly. We will start check your comprehension and share your responses etc. Understanding is important, so concept should be ready. Read each and every word, each and every line, try to understand. Any doubt? Come to the school premise, clear it. Okay? God bless you children.